Oh, I've saw your brother. I've seen you before. Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just realized I didn't do an intro for this video, so I am very sorry. So I have no choice than to do a voiceover, but I am heading to Atlanta to spend some quality time with my nephews. I haven't seen them in a very long time, and some time too with my brother and my best friend. As for my outfit, I'm wearing these leggings I got from Slooper brand. It's owned by my friend. And the Just So tennis shoes, I got it from Amazon and it was in one of my other videos. I am wearing a black hoodie that no one can see, and if case you did not figure this out, I'm trying to show off my nails I got done for the festive period. Okay. Hi guys, so I arrived and I'm at my brother's. That's why I've been lazy to film, but whatever. Right now I'm just eating some Chick-fil-A. Beeps.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's grab that charge. Grab this. We gotta move.
But yeah.
Go move. Get some mats. This is the craziest start ever.
Today is actually Wednesday. I'm just checking in. I'm about to head out, go to the aquarium, spend some time with my nephews and my bestie. The OTD for today is I just have this regular shirt and this jeans I got from Fashion Nova. How you guys like it? I am going to see you guys when we head out. Ciao. Just buying Christmas presents.
Yeah, come on.
Christmas presents for family. That's Bibi, my little nephew. So, yep.
Wanna see something?
Hi guys, so we are in the aquarium and it is freaking pretty. Say hi. That was so. Look at them. Shark Tank.
Oh, a hammerhead! Oh, a hammerhead! What's the hammerhead? This one. Right there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at this one that came really close. What do you want? Look at it. That shark over there.
See the shark right here, baby. This one come here.
Right there. That's one smiling. The hammerhead.
Since we're supposed to see about home, I'm not head shark.
Yes, all of them.
What if you enter inside the chocolate?
Of course. Why not? So, oh, it came out.
I'm out. I went to the aquarium. I'm out. I went to the aquarium.
Put your head down. Not.
Oh, that would have been a nice one.
Hmm?
I saw it first.
Sorry, but it's not. It's sort of like.
Yam cheese. That's not near you. This orange one, it is so pretty. Oh, oh, this is so pretty. It looks like a snake. No, I don't think it's dead. Okay. That's what you guys be eating. You all be eating this. Are you discussing with the crab? This whale is so pretty, but when they're eating you, it will not be that pretty.
This is so. Oh, honestly, I mean that. Yeah, so it's big.
Why can't we get any closer than this?
Because whales are dangerous.
What is a glass?
That's guinea pig.
Daniel just dropped their
What this was
Play-Doh.
called?
Sea otter.
So it moves.
They eat it?
Yeah, people eat octopus.
Sea stars down there. I always thought the sea dragons were big,
These are
but
probably kids.
these are like babies.
Plays a role in strengthening bonds between mates. If you see a penguin in this habitat, juvenile feathers are shades of gray.
You want some? So at this restaurant called Little Legas.
They have, apparently they have really good snails and Sawyer, so we
Yeah.
ordered some stuff.
So if you're in ATL, make sure you check it out. It's a spot. I mean, I can't speak for all their dishes, but I know I like this. So yeah,
Well, they say the rice is not nice.
we're picking up, you know, just the COVID-19 people. I don't like people eating here, but on a regular, it's, you know, a little nephew. Say hi, Liam. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Bring your brothers and sisters, cause Wahala they like bicycle if you don't. Hi, Kelly. Let me see your face. Okay, you know, Kelly's rich, so she's paying for the food. The bitch can afford it. So you guys like, share, subscribe, so you know she can have views and, you know, subscribers, so she can buy us more food, please. Can we see your face? Yeah, he's so handsome. Oh.
And the tilapia.
Okay, thank you. There goes the food. Look at that. It's only two, but it's worth it. Trust me, the taste is everything.
The paintings in here, I think they're really, really pretty. At work, you keep jumping.
No! Hey guys, what's up?
Yeah, you've passed that mark, like you've passed.
Me again.
So we are back from the aquarium and it is gym day. So we are at the gym trying to work out. I'm here with this madams. And since we're babysitting my little guy here. Good morning guys, today is Thursday. I woke up to make my nephew some breakfast. Today the plan is to go ice skating with my brother, my sister, and my nephew. We'll see how that goes, but right now I'm just gonna make some breakfast. I hear that you're going to Nigeria.
Yeah,
Okay, just bring us back plenty money. Is it bread in the house, baby? You know, both cereal with no milk.
There's milk.
This no.
There is.
Where?
In my machine. Can I drink this cereal here? Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Baby boo. We don't have. That's the only big bowl we have, so I'm gonna drink my cereal. Yo, this is the snake who you don't see online, okay? I don't know how my sister says she's coming to spend time with me and she's making breakfast for our nephew and she can't make breakfast for me. And she's supposed to be my best friend. Maybe she should Google what a best friend does. I'm gonna go get cereal for myself. And when I cook, I'm gonna cook for myself. We might as well live as roommate.
You feel satisfied?
A little bit. Maybe I'll see it though.
I know, that's what I need. Say breakfast. Hi. You all wondering where I've been today. I've been spending the night. Those two. My two little nephews. My life. It's all fun though.
Hey, hug again. Don't look. Nope. Don't.
So I'm back home and it was just like a pretty chill day. But right now we're about to eat dinner.
The food. Yeah. And we also have some arrows. Let me just show. Let me give you a quick look.
Yes, today is Christmas Day, even though you guys will be seeing this video like way after Christmas, but happy Christmas. I have been cooking. I'm about to head out to go do my lashes and then I'll be back for the family to celebrate Christmas and all. And I'm making some pepper soup. If you don't know what pepper soup is a Cameroonian dish that is just awesome. Okay guys, so this is so frustrating. I get right in front of the person who is supposed to do my lashes, her place, and then I get a call and like, oh, you have to reschedule. Like, what the heck? You just made me drive all the way for 15 minutes and come to your place just for you to say I need to reschedule. That is like so annoying right now. I'm actually so mad. This was the first time for me to actually do like lashes, so it's kind of a bummer. Are you seeing this view? It is so freaking pretty.
You're living the life, baby.
It is.
Living the life.
This top is from Boohoo. This is from Fashion Over Jeans.
And those shoes, honey, she can get mine.
As from Aldo.
Okay,
I love
it's
it.
cute. We Fashion Over head to toe, motherfucker. Like Fashion Over top.
She's very
Not Fashion Over
extra.
ass, though. The ass is natural. Fuck that. All right.
I said dip it in.
Okay.
What's up guys, we heading out to the club tonight. I'm going to be using my phone because I can't use a camera and go to the club and blah blah blah.
So my outfit, please. Make sure they see it. Make sure they see it. Make sure they see it.
Morning people, today I'm on babysitting duty, but however my brother is taking care of my nephew.
Show that your brother's face.
Keon.
Popo butt. And Bibi's here eating all the breakfast.
Yeah, she is. She's eating all the breakfast. But anyway, today that's all we're doing, chilling at home, and then tomorrow we're going back home.
Yo.
You better hide.
Rana, we will look at daddy for
Daddy's
playing.
coming. You better hide. You better hide. You better hide. I see legs under the table. Oh, you have sold your brother. I've seen you before. Yes. You sold Liam.
You said daddy. He just sold you people. Kyo cannot be a spy.
Kian, come. Did she talk about anyone in particular?
Yes, she talked. She talked all the time. Popo butt. Here.
Clever, I mean, really clever.
What's up, guys? It's evening time and we decided to make some food. Evie and I will be traveling back tomorrow. We'll just leave my brother and my nephews here. Oh, hi guys! Hello! From the apartment. This is so freaking pretty.
Place them in the overhead bin. Please make sure that
Hi guys, so I'm back home. I just got back into South Bend, and so I just decided to like keep you guys updated. But South Bend is freaking cold. I had fun on my vacation. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Ciao. So for my Christmas gift, I got a Note 20, and this was my first time getting a Note, so I was very excited because it had a pen and all that. And above all, it came with like a Xbox mallet that I could use to play games. I play a lot of games, but I don't know how to use this, so I guess I have to like Google it and watch some YouTube videos on how to use it. Up to now that I'm posting this video, I swear to God, I haven't even touched that mallet.